Level 2 charging uses a 240-volt AC power source, typically found at home or public charging stations. Your Tesla mobile connector or wall connector can deliver between 3 to 11 kilowatts of power. This adds roughly 20 to 50 miles of range per hour, depending on battery state and temperature. It's perfect for overnight charging at home. Simply plug in using your Tesla mobile connector or a compatible charging cable, and the car will handle the rest automatically. These chargers are fully compatible with Tesla vehicles and include safety features like automatic shutoff. DC fast charging provides direct current at high voltages, bypassing the Model 3's onboard charger. This allows for significantly faster charging speeds, up to 250 kilowatts at Tesla's V4 superchargers. At these speeds, you can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes under ideal conditions. This is ideal for road trips when you need to charge quickly. The vehicle communicates with the station to optimize power delivery and protect the battery. Tesla's supercharger network spans the globe with over 50,000 locations worldwide, including more than 10,000 in North America alone. The latest V4 superchargers deliver up to 250 kilowatts of power, making fast charging faster than ever. Use the Tesla app to easily find superchargers, check real-time availability, and even reserve a charging spot in advance. Plugging into a supercharger is straightforward. Simply connect the cable and charging begins automatically. The Tesla app shows charging progress in real time, including estimated time to completion and costs, which typically range from 25 cents to 35 cents per kilowatt hour. Thanks to Tesla's adoption of the North American Charging Standard, or NACS, your Model 3 can now charge at third-party CCS fast chargers from networks like Electrify America and EVgo without needing adapters. To find a compatible charger, use your Tesla's built-in navigation system or download a third-party app that shows available CCS stations. Once you arrive at the station, simply follow the on-screen instructions or use your Tesla's touchscreen to initiate charging through the CCS port. Tesla Model 3 owners report near universal compatibility, with over 95% of U.S. fast charging stations now supporting either NACS connectors or Tesla's proprietary plugs. Charging speed isn't constant throughout the process. It begins at maximum speed when the battery is low, but gradually slows down as the battery approaches full capacity. This natural curve protects the battery from stress and heat buildup. For Tesla Model 3 vehicles, the charging curve varies by model year and type. Software automatically manages the power delivery to prevent battery degradation, with faster charging early in the process and controlled slowdown near full charge. Battery health depends on how it's charged and discharged. Lithium-ion batteries like those in Tesla vehicles have optimal cycle life when not consistently charged to 100% or discharged too low. The software manages this to maximize long-term capacity. Cell imbalance occurs when individual battery cells charge or discharge unevenly. Tesla's battery management system prevents this by balancing cells and avoiding extreme charge levels that could cause imbalance and reduce overall battery life. For maximum battery lifespan, avoid charging to 100% consistently. Tesla recommends 80 to 90% for daily driving. Only charge to 100% when preparing for long trips. The vehicle software will alert you when approaching full charge. Maximize your charging efficiency by preconditioning your battery before using superchargers. This prepares the battery for optimal DC fast charging performance. The Tesla software predicts and adjusts for weather and grid load, automatically optimizing your charging for better efficiency. Plan your charging stops on long trips using navigation features to select optimal superchargers and minimize downtime. Check for peak time congestion at popular superchargers using the Tesla app, which shows availability and allows stall reservations. Consider off-peak charging at home to save money and reduce grid strain by scheduling during low-demand hours. The future of Tesla charging promises significant advancements. Charging speeds are expected to reach 300 to 400 kilowatts by 2030, allowing for even faster refills. Bidirectional charging will enable Tesla vehicles to act as power sources. This includes vehicle-to-grid for supporting the electrical grid, vehicle-to-vehicle for charging other EVs, and vehicle-to-load for powering devices. Tesla is expanding solar-powered superchargers, with over 500 sites already equipped by 2026. This sustainable approach reduces reliance on the grid and lowers carbon emissions. Tesla continues to expand the supercharger network and improve charging technology with AI-driven optimization. These innovations ensure more convenient and sustainable EV ownership in the future.